Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to Mama 4. Today, let's see what results I have been getting out of intermittent fasting. Today I'm about to go do a weigh-in. Let's see. Not this Monday, but last Monday was the Biggest Loser Challenge. And I weighed in on that Monday, but then they had us to weigh in again that Friday. And I had lost 2 pounds, 2.2 pounds, I think. So today is another Friday. From here on out, we weigh in every Friday. So I'm getting ready to weigh in. I feel lighter, so I think I did good. As a matter of fact, I feel so light, I decided to try on a pair of pants that I bought that was hanging up in my closet that I could not even get my thigh all the way down in there. And look, I'm gonna take y'all outside because the lighting is a little better, although it's freezing out there. Okay, did the light look better? Okay, so here are the pants. I guess I'm getting there. They fit a little tighter than I like. And to answer a genuine question, is there any more room in these jeans? No, there's no more room in these jeans. I got these jeans at a secondhand store. The size is the size 15/16, but on the jeans it says 16. If I'm correct, I don't know how much I paid for these jeans because, oh, they say juniors. I'm just saying, juniors. Wow. Normally juniors is not long enough for me, but they are. And these jeans look brand new, like somebody bought them. Maybe they never got a chance to wear them, so they traded them in. I think I got too much butt for these jeans. The back stops here, and I like my pants to come here. Maybe these low-ride jeans, come think about it, because they juniors, so it's not that I can't fit them, it's they low-ride, so they won't come as high as I like them. I'm gonna keep them. So yeah, we can say that I can fit these now. So next up, I tried to try on an old pair of my dress pants. They are a size 7. I feel like we can't really go by these sizes because, oh, a size 10. Okay. Yep, 10 is what I used to wear. I'm like, I don't remember wearing a size 7, but yes, I did wear a size 10. And my thigh won't go all the way in these pants yet, so not ready for them. But I found another pair of pants in the closet that says size 16 that I couldn't wear. If I'm correct, these came from City Trend, and City Trend sizes are like crazy. So I'm gonna go try these pants on right now. Okay, so there's a lightning change on this one because I couldn't step outside like that. These pants are not zipped up. The zippers like stop right here. The flap is here. The crotch part is not even up. Like if I was to do the splits or take too big of a step, I'm probably gonna split the middle part. And they definitely don't go over my butt. But hey, got progress. I wish I had tracked the pants fit when I first got them, but I didn't. But hey, I tracked it now, so now I know they can almost go up, but not quite. Those other pants don't quite go over my bottom that I just had on. So I'm gonna give those pants 2 to 4 more weeks, and maybe I can fit in there, and I get these pants 6 to 8 weeks, and I should be able to fit in there. And those other pants, the size 10, I should be able to fit in those size 10 when I hit my goal. And speaking of sizes and my height and me, I am 5'8". I used to be 5'9". I don't know how I shrunk that early when I'm 33 years old. But last time I was measured, I'm 5'8". So me wearing a size 10 was something that I like wearing a size 10. I felt like I wasn't too skinny and I feel like I wasn't too fat with my height. As a matter of fact, this picture here is the same picture I posted on the community tab. I weigh about 175, maybe about 170 on that picture. I was a size 8 and I was actually very thin on that picture. My face was like sunken in and my collarbones and stuff would stick out and you can see bones on me. So I got other pictures where I was like 180 and I had curves and stuff like a woman should have. And I liked that. And I was a size 10 then. So that is my goal. I know I got older and things changed. So I found another pair of pants in my closet that I didn't wear. These were some pants I got from the secondhand store. It's like a kind of name brandish trending clothes only that you get at the secondhand store. And they let me stuff everything I could fit in a bag for I don't even know if I'm gonna try these on. It says size 15, 32 waist. If I'm correct, I feel like when I measure my waist, my waist measured at 36. But I'm gonna try them on. Wow, guys. Oh my. I guess I am shrinking, ain't I? As you can see, I got these love handles. And then that's my hangover belly. So I actually like my pants a little bigger because I like to put this hangover stuff in here. But maybe I could wear one of my shapewears under to hold it in. But right now, I'm not going to wear the shapewear because it's cold. My jacket got me on, so you won't see this. Actually, I'm going to leave these pants on and go way in. But I'm not going to bother with the shapewear because I don't want to add no extra weight for this weigh-in. So let's go see. Donuts on the day you weigh in. Of course, I'm going to take this coat and this bag off. Well, I didn't lose any weight, y'all. But I didn't gain any weight. Let me reevaluate this week. I ate very good this week, as in healthy-wise. I followed my fasting plan. I even added in, I started weight training. And I started doing this workout app that I got from you, FairFam, the FairFam channel. I'm okay because up until I started doing something to lose weight, every time I step on the scale, I gain weight. So I'm cool. And normally when I add weight training, I add a few pounds. I'm okay. I feel lighter, even though the scale did not change at all. I weigh in at the same time I normally weigh in. I haven't broke my fast. I haven't even drunk any water yet. So the only difference is I have on these pants when I used to have on pants that's a little lighter, but I don't think these pants made that much of a difference. So I still feel the weight loss from last Friday to this Friday. I mean, y'all look at me. Look at my face. That's where the weight be. Like, sometimes I'll be puffy in the face and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I'll be puffy in the stomach and sometimes I'm not. I gotta show y'all my stomach from this Friday to the other video I made last Monday. I believe that was a Friday too. I don't know if I showed y'all my stomach, but y'all gotta see my stomach. Yeah, because it was a what I eat in a day. Maybe I already showed. Oh, I did show y'all my stomach. I forgot. Okay. I forgot that I'm linking this video together with the video of me trying on the pants. So y'all see my stomach compared to this video from last video. So there is a loss. I do track my inches. The last time I measured my inches was the start of the year. So January 18th. So it's only been 2.5 weeks. Maybe I should go ahead and, I don't know. I'm not going to do my inches. I'm going to wait. I'm going to be okay. I'm going to keep up what I'm doing. And next week, maybe I see more of a difference next week. I'm hoping to see, I only want to lose 2 pounds a week. So next week, I'm hoping to see 4 pounds down. I'll do that. Yeah. Thank y'all for watching. I'm just a mama for. Ba 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 ba.